What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everyone's doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently, we're sitting at $1.33, down about 3.5 on the day. Seeing market cap 11.154 billion. 24-hour volume 424 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30,000 in bonuses. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. It's just loading up here, but we'll get into that a bit later. Let's hop into the charts. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So Matic has come right down to our wave 5 target, which is $1.30. So we may see a reaction to this level. It doesn't mean that the wave 5 has to stop here, but $1.30 is a round number and strong support. So we've completed the wave A if we start to see that bounce. Now a wave B can be unpredictable. Usually it's a 50% retracement or a 61.8% retracement of wave A. However, it can be overshooting. So you have to look at candlesticks. You have to look for divergences to give you an idea of when that B wave is finished. So do keep an eye on that. Now, if we look at the 4 hour time frame, you can see we have come down to strong support. Let me zoom out to the daily. So $1.30, you can see the support here, and you can see all the times we bounced off this level and got rejected. So that $1.30, $1.25 range is very, very strong support and could offer a bounce. Now, if we simply break down, it's always possible. As I've been mentioning to you guys, money's been flowing out strongly on the daily. We have a bearish divergence. So if we just simply break down from here, then your next support's about 124, and then you're looking at coming all the way down to about $1.11. But I would expect to see a bounce before coming all the way down to about $1.11, as that would line up better with our wave count. So as I mentioned, if we do bounce from here, then I'll give you a target zone for a wave B, $1.42. We'll do it all the way up to the 78% fib at about $1.49. But as I mentioned, a wave B can be overshooting and quite misleading, as people think Matic's going to take off to the moon, but it was just an overshooting wave B, and then we come down into wave C. So it looks like the correction could definitely be starting here for Matic. That could bring you all the way back down to the $1 range in an ABC correction. We'll have to see how it plays out. Taking a look at Ethereum, we broke down from this wedge pattern, but it may be a little bit of a fake out. I'm cautious of a bit of a bear trap and potentially bouncing. Now, if we do bounce, because what I'm looking at here is potentially an overshooting wave B. It could be that this was the wave 5, and now you're coming down in basically a wave A. So you'd be coming down in a wave 1, wave 2, and then come down to 3, 4, 5. But the targets are the same, whether it's a wave 1 down whether it's a wave A down or it's an overshooting wave B, the targets are still the same. So you have a wave 1 down, a wave 2 pullback, and you're looking to come down in that wave 3, within that wave 3 or 5 waves. So we had a wave 1 down. Now potentially the wave 2 could be complete if we continue to break down. But if we do bounce here, which I do have a suspicion that we may see a bounce, then what you could be looking at is we're putting in an ABC correction, wave A up, wave B pullback, and then you push up in a wave C. If that does happen, then what you can see is we push up to retest that wedge. Often that's what will happen with these wedge patterns. You'll break down, you'll retest it, a bunch of people will go short, and then price will bounce and retest the wedge once again, liquidate those short positions, and then you'll see that continuation to the downside. So we'll have to see how that plays out. If we simply break down, then the wave 3 target is 1582 for ETH. So if you do bounce, look for rejection right around 1682. If we were to break back up into that pattern, we break these highs, then obviously the wave 5 isn't complete. That's still on the table, but it looks less probable in my opinion. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. We came down to our wave 5 target basically perfectly here at $1.30. So we'll see if we see a reaction and see a bounce into a wave B. And then you would target in between 142 and 149, which is a normal retracement. But a wave B, the thing about waves Bs is they can be really unpredictable, as it can be shorter than that target zone. And as I mentioned, it can be overshooting. So just look at the candles, look for the 3-wave move. In a wave B, there's an ABC pattern. So you look for 5 waves up, a 3-wave pullback in a B, and a 5-wave impulse in a wave C, and then continuation to the downside. We'll see if we bounce from this level or not. As I mentioned, if we break this level, that next support is sitting at about $1.24, and then all the way down here at about right around $1.10. But as I mentioned, I don't think we'll break all the way down to $1.10 before seeing a bounce. I think either right here from $1.30 or we come down to about $1.24 and then we see the bounce in the wave B and continue the correction. A wave down, bounce, wave B, wave C right down to that $1 range. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to either Bybit or BitGet. Grab those bonuses. I do the majority of my trading here on BitGet. Check out my full length tutorials. They're in the description as well as pinned at the end of the video. Email me your sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. At the 10 USD membership, you can have early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here for their own trades. It's just loading up. My internet's a bit slow at the moment. My HODL alt plays, same price as a Netflix subscription, a burger at McDonald's with a drink, and you really don't want to be putting that in your body. So you can check out my membership through the Patreon link. All right, gang, as you can see, making some juicy gains here in the Discord. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.